Hi friends! Today we're doing an outside signing story time. Our book that we'll be reading is called Snowmen at Fall. Let me see if I can get it here. Here it is. Here. Oh, very cute. Snowmen at Fall. Okay. It's very cute. I've read it. Oh, sorry. It's very windy here today. Okay. Here we go. There's the cute pictures. All right, it says, one autumn day, the air turned cold and it began to snow. My sister had a box of dress up out for Halloween. And soon all these snowmen were the scariest we'd ever seen. There's our pictures. Looks like they're dressing them up. Great. Ooh. Here. Oh, I love these pictures. Okay, we went off to a party and trick-or-treating too, then headed home in the dark when everything was through, when everything was done. As we passed our snowmen, I thought I saw one wink. Oh, did they want to have fun too? Oh, sorry, fun too? Well, this is what I think. Okay, here's our picture. Our next picture here. Looks great. Okay, it's a dark and okay, maybe I'll have to just put it down. Okay, it's a dark and spooky night, but the snowmen aren't afraid. They'll follow one another in the Halloween parade. Okay. Oh, great pictures. Such a great book for right now. Gliding down the moonlit streets into the village square, beckoned by the twinkling lights and lanterns hanging there. Cute. Oh, look at this colorful. This must be the party. Party. Two peas, back and forth, having a good time. They'll see lots of orange pumpkins. Sorry, you're like thumping on the pumpkin to see if it's ripe. They'll see lots of our orange pumpkins heaped up in a pile. Every snowman gets to carve a very scary smile. Oh, I love all these bright pictures. Oh, look at them having fun. Okay, they'll like playing all the games and fishing for a prize and have their faces painted by an artist in disguise. Oh my goodness, so cute. Oops, almost went ahead. Okay, some bite into caramel treats, which give them gooey grins. Others bob for apples in the apple bobbing bins, of course. Okay, here's that picture that wanted to be seen earlier. Oh, look at, this is great. For a coin, the fortune teller sees a snowman's fate. Will it be warm sun or snowstorms they'll anticipate? Here's our next picture here. Okay, maybe they'll wander through a maze made out of hay. Twisting turns and dead ends make it fun to find the way. So here we go. Oh, these pictures are beautiful. Okay, someone will be telling tales, like story time, about a snowman ghost. I'll bet spooky stories is what snowmen like the most. If their Halloween's like mine, the same, they'll want to trick or treat and head home with their buckets It's full of every kind of sweet. Oh. Okay, there'll be lots of giggling, laughing on their way back home from town, and it'll take a while before those snowmen settle down, before they're a little bit more calm. Well, oh, looks like something's, oh, there's a word there. Okay, is that the next page? Yes. That's what I thought they'd do, but I guess I'll never know because it warmed up overnight and melted down the snow. The dress-ups are in a pile, but there's something in between. A snowman message. Oops, I lost my page. Oh, there. Just for us. A snowman message. What do you think it is? Looks like it says... Oh, and actually it says it right here. So let's see these pictures. They're back, I guess. Next time they got dressed up. Happy Halloween. Very good. Oh, I love that one. So cute. Okay, so we signed snowman, but you could also sign snow woman, or you could sign snow friend, or you could sign snow people with your two P's going backwards. Party was woo, having a fun time. People is your P's going backward. People, okay? All right. Thanks for joining us for our outside signing story time. Be sure to like and subscribe and join for all our other fun story times.